Gentle. This is Tiki and Yuida playing together. You want to show Tiki the snail book that's behind him? It got away from him. He was chewing on it and it got away. The snail book. We'll show it to him. Put it by him because he loves it. He loves to eat that book.